Okay, so here I am, a British rider riding through Germany on a British bike. And what happens if I'm unlucky enough to have an accident in Germany? Well, first of all, if I get knocked off by a fellow Brit, nothing turns on it. I can go back home, I can sue that British car driver for what he did wrong, whatever it may be, driving on the wrong side of the road, pulling out on me, and there's no real problems as far as the legal system goes. However, if I get taken out by that truck or this German registered car driven by a German man or woman, that is a problem. It's a problem now post-Brexit. So before we left the European Union, if someone knocked me off in Germany or France or Italy and they were a local, I could still sue them in my home court. Now, that home court may not have jurisdiction to hear that case, so it leaves me in the rather unenviable position of having to bring an action in Germany or Spain or Italy or wherever I get knocked off. And that's a problem. I don't speak German, I don't speak Italian, I don't speak Spanish, so it's very difficult for me then to be able to find a lawyer, discuss the case, pay him or her any money. I don't know if they've got no win no fee type agreements in this country. I don't think they do. And the other problem I've got is limitation. So I'm aware, because I've dealt with accidents for UK bikers in Spain, they've got a 1 year limitation. So in the UK we've got, generally speaking, we've got a 3 year limitation for injury cases. Spain is only 1 year. France is 10 years. So when I've dealt with cross-border litigation for our fellow UK bikers, it's something that I've had to keep an eye on. And of course I'm not a Spanish solicitor or a French solicitor or a German solicitor. I practice in England and Wales, so I don't keep up to date with the law changes in Europe, whereas pre-Brexit I had to, because I had to be able to bring a claim on behalf of a UK biker in our home courts. So something to be aware of. If you're out in Germany or in Europe, just be careful. Well, we're always careful because you don't want to get knocked off. And there we go. Oh, thank you, BMW. This sat-nav has been playing up. Considering they're 600 quid, that is a very poor show. But yeah, come to Europe, enjoy Europe, but just be careful of that legal problem if you're unlucky enough to have an accident. Auf Wiedersehen.